What's up, guys? Welcome back. It's your boy Lex Money. Now, a lot of us are starting to get fed up with the price of ICP constantly dumping. So in today's video, I'm going to take you through exactly what I'm looking at in the charts and whether or not I'm starting to flip bearish. Now, before we do get into all of that, guys, make sure all of you have paused the video. I'm actually making some more in real life content now. So to make sure you don't miss any of that, please be sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, drop this video a like. Let's get into ICP. Alrighty, guys, what's up? Right, I'll keep it real with you. I know a lot of you guys are starting to get a bit fed up with the price of ICP, and I do understand. If we're buying at $15 higher, to see the coin at now $10, it sucks. It's sucky, guys. Like, do you think I like seeing my portfolio down? No, I do not. But I do try and change my mindset to say, right, are we in an accumulation? Is this an amazing opportunity before the next leg of altcoin season happens? Has altcoin season even really started for the general altcoin market? Because right now, a lot of our coins are experiencing the same thing, guys. I mean, Bitcoin over the weekend had a massive correction, guys, along with Ethereum that had that big fat flash crash. I think it was like a 10% crash, and it brought everything down with it. I mean, BNB was over $700. Solana, we thought we were getting back up to the $200. Even some of the meme coins were starting to do big pumpy times, guys. So it's not just ICP that is down. However, I know that ICP has been a lagger for a lot of you guys. So I'm not here to say like, right, Super Bowl, guys, shut up, get on with it. Because I understand that it is very emotional in these times of the market, but we need to have a look into a few key points for ICP. Now, I did tweet this on the day of the flash crash, guys, and I said it's really disappointing to see so many top accounts tweeting panic tweets. All these people that say, right, yeah, we're bullish, never sell your crypto, and then they're going, I'm opening X, and they're saying, what's happening with crypto? What's happening with crypto? Guys, they're panicking you, and I'm not gonna lie, it does piss me off, because a lot of people, they should know, are emotional in the market, and it's just not cool to be adding that extra fear to you guys, right? Now, we all knew that after the previous ETF, Bitcoin dropped over 20%, and I covered it in a previous video to say, right, with ETH, just because this ETF has happened doesn't mean we just insta-pump. We could have like a 15% correction, and we'll look into the chart at the end of the video, guys. But there are many concerns about ICP right now. The fact that there are token unlocks, the fact that the team continues to sell, the fact that the price just keeps on dumping, and the support doesn't seem to hold. So at the end of the video, I'm going to go and check out 3 support levels that I'm going to be keeping an eye on, guys, and one of them I've covered in a previous video, so again, make sure you are subscribed. But look at this. If you go to dropstab.com, guys, then you can see we've actually got all the list of the token unlocks that are coming up, and we do have one in 9 hours, which is going to contribute to a 0.5% of the total ICP market cap, 2 million ICP, 2.5 million ICP, or a $24 million unlock, guys. Are the team going to instantly sell it? They probably will sell the majority of it. So we need to be mentally prepared that, yes, it is annoying why the Definity team keeps selling. Guys, they're going to sell because they're going to try and make their money. There's going to be people in the team that have been offered these tokens, and that's their way of getting some additional cash, okay? So whether we like that or not, that is just a fact, and that's just something that we have to deal with, guys. But we need to be patient, okay? Now, I'm not here to tell you what to do, but most of you guys know what I'm doing right now. At these levels, there's no way I'm selling. And again, there's going to be a lot of people like me, a lot of you guys who watch the video right now, who you managed to get in ICP super early. So the fact that we're at $10, we're still up like 200%, okay? But I know that is not the case for a lot of you guys. So most people, they do give up way too early, and I have the superpower of patience right now because I set myself up early, but there's going to be a lot of people who don't have that superpower, if you want to call it that, because they got in a little bit later than some of the early investors, guys. But we have to remember that in the early days, things can be shaky, there can be a lot of emotion, but by the end of it, people are going to say, right, why didn't I buy back then? Okay, why didn't I buy back then when it was the most extreme fear in the market, guys? And remember, guys, even though ICP is down, some of the ecosystem coins are they're still doing super well, okay? They're doing well against the USD pair, and they're doing well against the ICP pair. The ICP pair, obviously, because ICP is going lower, so it will make some of these coins seem like they're doing better, but you can go and check out the USD pair as well, guys, because things like Windoge, which we've spoke about so many times on this channel, things like ICP swap, which I'm super bullish on, things like Ghost, even like Wumbo today, for example. You see that Wumbo has passed CKBTC's volume, guys, and the meme sector of ICP is still flourishing. So even though ICP's price is lagging, and look, maybe a lot of you guys, you're not going to be buying ICP meme coins, I get it, you're probably just going to buy ICP, the ecosystem still isn't doing too bad, and we still got a long way to be growing. But if we come to like EXE, for example, look, my EXE bag is now up 3.5x on the USD pair, 5x on the ICP pair. If we went and tracked it in ICP swap, then if you guys remember, I bought $100. It's now nearly $400. It was 7 ICP. It is now 33 ICP. So it's now like a 5x. So there's still potential to be making money through the ICP ecosystem if you do get in early on certain projects. And if you want me to do like a specific ICP ecosystem coin video, you guys let me know in the comments. But let's go and check out the charts for ICP. Now, first of all, something that I don't cover on the channel too much, but if you want me to have a look into this a bit more for you guys, then I can. But the ICP BTC pair. Now, a lot of people are saying that, right, it's bottomed. I think we still have a little bit to go, guys. And this is going to be like the extreme fear part of the ICP cycle. If we start to break lower and lower and lower for the next few months, a lot of people are going to leave the market. They're going to be fed up with it. So you guys can let me know if we go lower. Are you going to be leaving the market? Is that going to fudge you out? But if we look here, it looks like we'll come to the apex somewhere around August to September before we do have a breakout. We could break out before this, but I'm anticipating a slow grind to the downside because that will be absolute max pain for ICP holders, guys. And while you may not like to hear that, I'm giving you guys this information to say, I'm expecting this. So when ICP does have a slow grind, and if we do break that $10, remember, I said to you guys, we have a target below $10 months ago. If we do hit that target, I don't need to act emotionally because we were ready for this, okay? And what is that target? The all-in level, guys, was $8.53. Now, we are right at the bottom of the blessing zone. We actually wicked perfectly off this $10.50, okay? But we have lost this previous support, guys, and we're starting to fall back through it. Now, is this a fake out to the downside before a breakout? Only time will tell, okay? I can't predict the future. What I can do is say, right, what are my next levels of interest? My next levels of interest, guys, could it be the $10.50, where I'm going to buy more? $9.51, which is going to be this lower wick here. We've got $8.53, which was the initial retest of the breakout, and then we went parabolic up to $20. $8.53 to $8.59. I couldn't really get it spot on there, but that was going to be my all-in level. Now, my absolute worst case scenario where everybody leaves the market is going to be the initial breakout right here, guys, okay? The initial breakout of this cup formation, and that's going to be at $5.93, okay? Does this have to happen? No, but if it does happen, again, I'm still going to be slightly up on my position, but I will still add more. And if we do break below this $5.93, then I'm going to say, right, guys, it's time to reassess what the hell we're doing for ICP. Now, this is not like a fear video to say we have to go to these levels, or I'm 100% expecting it to go to these levels. I'm not, but I'm just preparing myself mentally to say, right, this is the absolute worst case scenario. If we go below this, then you know what, guys, I might start to change my opinion on ICP, and I'm going to say to you guys, you know what, I'm not too sure if I'm going to be buying any more at this point. But at this stage of the market, guys, there is no way that I'm leaving the market, okay? There's just no way. I'm not doing it. I'm not leaving the market for any of my altcoins right now. I'm not leaving the market for Bitcoin. I'm not leaving the market for Ethereum. It is not happening. So while people leave negative comments on the video and they say, oh, this is the same thing that you say all the time, doesn't bother me, guys. Because look, we tracked this for a while as well. We tracked this like beginning of this year, and we said at the halving, this is like the best case scenario, we go up to 80k. The worst case scenario is we go down to 59k. We've actually found a massive support here, and we're starting to trickle our way, having the consolidation. Once we do reach around here, if we just stay at 69k, 70k, and then have a break to the upside, that's fantastic. If we break down, I'll be looking at support at around 59k again. But that does not mean that I flip bearish or that I'm expecting it. I'll be actually very shocked if we did lose this area of support here. I would not be shocked if we have a consolidation. All of our altcoins just slowly bleed. It gets to around like July, August, end of summer, people start to leave the market, and then we've touched this support, and then we start to go up, and people play catch up again. That is just the nature of crypto. It is cutthroat, guys. So yes, while ICP is slow, while it is boring, while a lot of people are starting to give up, I'm not giving up just yet, guys. You can let me know how you're feeling about ICP in the comments. Yes, it does need to catch up, but again, this is the nature of crypto, and sometimes things don't go to plan. They don't go straight up like we expect them to. So if you got this far, pause the video, smash the like button. If you don't want to miss any more ICP updates, make sure you are subscribed. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.